What is up? Brickmaster here, and I'm here with a LEGO construction crane tutorial. This one may take longer than usual. If you're hearing voices or music in the background, it's because my mom's at-home daycare is in progress. Hello, Micah. That was my older brother I was saying hello to. Alright. So first thing you need to do is start with this base. I'm not gonna do the parts you'll need because it'll take too long. I'll just show you the parts one by one. So here's the first part you'll need. Now what you'll want to do is these parts over here. Those are for building the actual crane part. You'll want to stick them on the longest one onto here. The shorter one onto the longer one. This onto the shorter one. And the crane onto the part I don't know its name. But either way, it doesn't matter what color of parts you use. And I'd like to see what you make with my tutorials. And I'd like to challenge you to upgrade this crane part and make it into 4 other construction vehicles. If you agree to this challenge, press the like button and comment my email so that you can email it in me the pictures of your things, and I can choose a winner. That person will be able to choose a tutorial out of 3 options. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. So you want to put this right here, I think, because I took this apart. Let's not start there then. You want to put this right here, this right here, and then you want to find this this singular stud piece. It will go right in the back there. Then you want to find a bending piece. Make sure they're reversed. Then you want this piece right here. Put it on. Then you want to find this black piece right here and put that on there as well. And then you want to stick it on that piece right there. It should look like this. Okay.
About the right size for Monday.
Wait, did I do this wrong? Hope I did it right. Okay. Moving on. You'll put one of these back here. I'm starting to feel like I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, then you'll want to put this. Oh wait, that's it. I put this on backwards. Alright, so this this should look like a foot. And then you put it on like so. Oh yeah, now I remember. Then put this right here. No. I think I'm losing it. We'll get back to that part. Now we want to put this on the bottom, like this. Should look like this so far. Then you want to use a spinny platform. Put that in the center of the circular platform. Then what you want is, let's see, then now we need to build the wheel platform. Use a yellow one of these. Put one just slightly off, one all the way in. And it should. And then you put one of these things right there. One of these. Now you want to put this put this yellow thing on top, and put the other one of these right there. Then what you want to do is put one of these right here. And if there's anything else to work on this, we'll get back to that in a sec. Now I finally remembered what to do on here. You put this part right here. This part right here. Should look like that. One thing taller. Then use these 4 circular pieces and stack them all on top of each other. To make a smokestack, and place that on the remaining corner. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Well, hold on. Yeah, I feel like there's something wrong with this. That won't reach. Oh yeah. So you actually want to put that 1x2 thin piece on this, and the window lower, so it should look like this. I'm sorry, because this is a blind make. Then you want this piece right here to go right on there. Then you want these 2 pieces. They will go on here. This piece should have gone right here, shouldn't it have? Wait a minute, I think I'm forgetting a piece. Yeah, I think I'm forgetting something. I'm sorry, this is not one of my best things. Whatever it's called. So I'm guessing this would go right here instead of the spinning platform, and then you put the spinning platform under it, like that, and then put it on. And this flat piece would go right here on the wheel. And then you'd put it on. It should look like this. Now you have a construction vehicle made out of Lego. Remember to leave in the comments that you entered the competition. The other step to enter is to hit the like button, but you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. Then the last step is to email me a picture of your construction crane or your upgraded version. And I'm challenging you to upgrade it to 4 different construction vehicles, and I'll choose a picture with one of them to be a winner. Remember, it doesn't matter what color your construction vehicle is. I'm gonna be awarding for creativity, not realistic. So anyway, I'll leave all the steps in the description. Bye.